Welcome to the another episode of Abstract Thesis series. In this series, we are digging deep into the Power BI concepts. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Hello and welcome to this video in Abstract Thesis series. Today, what we wanted to discuss is object level security. Now, object level security is something by virtue of which we can actually control the data which we are going to give at the object level. An object here is the table. Means we wanted to control the tables which we want to give access to the end users. Okay, now that feature right now is not available directly in the Power BI. The feature is available in the external tools. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use a new tool or this tool, tabular editor, and the way here is search on the Google tabular editor for Power BI and go ahead and install it. Okay, so let's look at this tool. Now you can go to the Google search for this one and install it, tabular editor, and then you will be able to see it on the your external tool section. Now let's before we do it, let's go ahead and have one visual. So we have this visual out here, and this visual right now have different kinds of security. So let me go ahead and do it, because the object level security might not work with any other securities and all those. So let me go ahead and delete this, and let's delete, and also let me delete this. Okay, so I'm deleting those and saving it. So now what I want, I don't want to give this, let's say this object item itself to one of my users or more than one of my users. Okay, so I go ahead and I go to, now first of all I need a role now there. So first let me go ahead and in that one let me manage role, and let me create one role which is test role, and I'm going to say save. I'm just creating this without any security right now, and if I can see roles, I see test role. Okay, now let me go ahead and go to the external tools, and let me go to the tabular editor. And then I see a roles out here, I see test here. If I click here and I go to the table permissions, I see the there are tables which I can open it, and I can see various tables which are available here. So I can go to the item table and I can say none. Okay, and I can save this. Okay, because right now I have this many to many relationship with this table which we have created for RLS. Let me go ahead and delete this relationship and press OK. Let me save this. Now this is something which is because of the caching in my file, but I think relationship is dropped. Let me go back to the tabular editor and let me try to save it. I make it null and let me save it. Now this time around it has saved it, so you can see that these changes are cache changes which are not happening here. Now I go back to modeling tab and I say view as, and I say test, and I started seeing an error on this one. So basically what is happening, because of the object level security, the object is secured, so I am not able to see that object right now, and because of that I am not able to see this visual. So now this is very important when you have this financial kind of a report and you have this financial table which is, you think even by mistake should not be shared with someone, and everywhere this visual is being shared, it should be removed from the user. So this is the way you can actually secure the object. Right now this object level security is only available via the external tool. So Power BI had this tabular editor engine, which is tabular editor basically Azure Analysis Services or SQL Server Analysis Services tabular editor engine, which have all these features, but this is right now not available as a native feature in Power BI, but you can go ahead and use the tabular editor to get this. Now we will jump back to the tabular editor, allow this permission and check it. So we go back and say here default, and we save it, and if we come back here on the Power BI, we say stop viewing and let's apply it again, and we say view as test. Now there is nothing which has been applied, so we should not face that error right now. So now we are not facing that error. So go ahead and try this feature out. Really important feature. If you wanted to secure a certain set of table from the end user, you need to get the external tool tabular editor to go ahead and download and install. There are more things which you can do with the tabular editors, which we are going to discuss in some future video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.